Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Arc Raider server slam, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen or a black screen issue on PS5. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to restart your PS5. So press and hold the power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then check problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation Network account. Go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out. Wait for few minutes and then log in back. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. So first of all use the Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. You can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database. OK. Now launch Arc Raider server slam and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. On your PS5 go to settings, click on users and account, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select Arc Raiders server slam game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm and after this launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem fixed or not. If not then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. Please take a note that you must backup the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Choose Arc Raider server slam then select delete. OK. Now restart your console and then try again. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to the PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. In primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and hit OK. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now launch the game and check if problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So this is the last solution. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Arc Raider server slam game to the SSD. Then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So these were some of the fixes that can help you to fix Arc Raider server slam, crashes a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.